Muraoneza
turaho
iyi pari ndabona mwabaye basimu cyane muraoneza wishimiye uyu munsi ndabashimira muri rusange kuba twese twahuje umugambi umwe wo gushyigikira abashiki bacu. I personally love them and I support them so much. Ali ni inshuti yanjye, Radusha ni inshuti yanjye, n'abantu kuba muri ahangaha by'ukuri dushigikiye inzozi zabo ni ibintu byiza cyane. So kandi mwakoze kuza musa neza, murasa neza cyane, ndumva aribyo navuga. kandi happy new year, umwaka utaha uzabera amata n'ubuki, muzabyemo imigisha y'Imana yose. Thank you so much.
One more time for Tiger B, ladies and gentlemen, big round of applause.
Ubanze muhane cheers aho mwicaye ku meza yanyu, ibi bintu biraryoshe, ibi bintu ni byiza cyane. Big shout out to Kigali Boss Babes, mwakoze akazi katoroshye, ibintu byiza cyane. Urimo kwitwa bavugisha Pamella mwakamcana meze neza, urugo rugufashe neza, akasimana akaje karacyabika gahoro, uri kubana na Tiger kweli?
You're speaking, yeah?
I like it. You do the speaking as a man. Tiger, urugo rushasha bimeze bite mu minsi mike? Iki kirimo kugutora kuruta ubuzima rusanzwe ubona?
Lots of surprises. Surprise managed to use this.
Ariko mpagarara aho kureba neza cyane, wigere kwitegereze, ejobundi barimo bambaza bati noneho ko impeta yayisize reka ndebe uyu munsi ko wayizanye. Neza byagenze gute? Ibi bishyizera amaboko. Yes. Nongeye gukongura umwe mu basitari muri Afurika bambaye impeta zihenze ku bukwe bwabo, wayikoresheje he? Barabeshya. Wenda ikintu gihenze kuri wowe wasanga kuri njyewe atari icyo ndimo kuvuga, ariko babwiye ko yari ihenze cyane. Nanjye ngiye ndavuga ni he is a Tiger, and of course we love your new song with forever. Kugeza imvi zije? Yeah, I like that. So nakoresheje byinshi Jerry night. What are you looking forward to do Pamella tonight? To party. That's black against white. Thank you so much. Karibu sana bwana. How you feeling tonight?
Feeling great, feeling right.
Just want to enjoy. Kwa nini umekuja pekee bila mpenzi wako? Ungemwinga The Ben.
You can't bring sandwich from buffet.
What are you loving most in Kigali? What are you loving most in Kigali?
The weather, very chill. That's why I say I want to spend the holiday here. Inshallah, 2 minutes here.
Yeah, that's amazing. Looking forward to actually do a lot tonight. What do you want to do tonight? What are you looking forward What are you looking forward to do?
Just having fun.
Having fun. That's great. Thank you so much, homie. Of course, manager Mwoche Alexi. Now it's going kaze kabisa. Nakusha mwili.
Twese gusa.
Manager wewe byose. Kuri ataye nziza cyane. Manager Mwoche Alexi, umuhungu wacu wamaze kumushyingira ikigo ubuyobozi bwo kumushimira. iyo abantu bari mu kigero kimwe burya ntabwo uri gutumye ubu ngubu bagenzi bawe nawe iyo bakoze uravuga uti uwo muhungu bimeze gute byiza cyane. Alex Muyoboke, who is your favorite Kigali boss babe?
Bose inshuti zanjye ariko hariya coach is my sister, so hariya tumaze kugera kuri 10 inshuti so
Yes, mbahaye ikaze cyane muri Black Elegance Party, Batrama ndetse na Marina. Mumeze mute?
Tumeze neza cyane.
You looking amazing. Marina.
Thank you.
Marina.
Yes, sir.
What's up, baby?
I'm cool, baby.
How you feeling tonight?
I'm feeling better. How are you?
Oh my God, I'm okay. You looking amazing.
Thank you, bro.
Urasa neza kabisa.
Murakoze cyane.
Badrama narinzi yuko akaboko kawe atakigafatamo gafatwamo n'undi.
Oya, hoya,
Iri joro byagenze gute?
She's mine.
She's yours.
Friends forever, bro.
Yeah, good to hear. Nishimiye kongera kubona muri kumwe mu ruhame muca kuri red carpet. Abenshi bamenyereje yuko abantu batambukana gutya ari abakundana. Namwe niko bimeze.
Cyane cyane ariko.
Turakundana ariko pana ngasheri.
Bapana sheri. Sheri wo musize Marina. Sheri wo musize.
Sheri ngira. Usabye rose. None ndicyegire.
Marina ntabwo ujya uhinduka. Yes, Badrama, uhuye n'umuhanzi mwigeze gukorana muri The Ben, umunsi mutagikorana ariko ubushuti burakomeje. Uyu mugoroba urumva umeze gute?
Mba nishimye iyo ndi kumwe n'umwana wanjye, of course mba nishimye.
Iyo uri kumwe n'umwana wawe ubishimiye. Abantu benshi bakavuga bati Marina tumuzi muri The Ben, bakanifuza ko wamusubirana. Ujye bitekerezaho.
Turi kumwe ariko, turi kumwe cyane ko icyo mwifuriza arakizi, icyo nyifuriza ndakizi. Buriya gukorana icyambere n'ubushuti. Iyo ubushuti buhari burya mukorana.
Very nice. Marina, Black Elegance hamwe na Kigali Boss Babes. Who is your favorite Kigali Boss babe?
Bon, ntabwo yaba ari umwe.
Wibutsa amazina?
Ntabwo yaba no. Bose ndabazi. Raduse, she's my friend since day one.
Yeah.
Alia cool.
Yeah.
Bose abandi ntabwo inshuti zanjye cyane. We are in this game together.
Oh yeah, that's very. Icyo kibazo nawe kirakureba. Who is your favorite Kigali Boss babe?
They are my favorite.
Eh?
They are my favorite.
Boss.
Yes.
All of them.
Yeah, all of them. N'ubundi uri tone.
Salomo.
Nta mpamvu yo gutoranya. Kuko nababwiye murasa neza y'umugoro wa Marina ni who is your designer?
Me myself.
You yourself. Badrama, icyangwa se ninde wagutayemo?
Queen Deuce.
Huh?
Queen Deuce.
Queen Deuce. From Kigali Boss Babes.
Yes.
Wow. Niwe wakwambitse?
Cyane kabisa.
Ubwo namwe muribaza impamvu nta wundi. Muribaza impamvu nta wundi wamwambitse muri bo mbere yuko mbareka kugira ngo bagende rero. What are you looking forward to do tonight, Marina? Marina, what are you looking forward to do muri party?
I'm here to have a fun.
You here to have fun?
Else? I'm here to have fun.
Wow, amazing.
Yeah.
Have fun then.
Thank you.
Bafite microphone mumfashe muzibampere mvugane nabo. Mfite amahirwe yo kuvugana n'abajeje tafaranga. They are looking amazing. Super. Wow.
Yeah, thank you.
You looking amazing.
Thank you.
Who is your designer tonight?
Odila.
Odila. Niwe wakwambitse.
Yeah.
Your dress ifite izina se turayivugaho iki? Uhereye ku giciro cy'uwo mwambaro mwiza w'umukara wahawe na Odira, iyo dress ihagaze ngayari yakora.
Ukuntu bimeze rero, Odira iyo ari bunyabike cyangwa afite event ndi bujyemo, ankorera amakanzu menshi.
Yes.
Hanyuma nkaza kuyatrayinga iyo ngaragara neza kuruta izindi, akaba ariyo namba. Bumva nishyuye nk'amakanzu 10 ku ijoro. Just to wear only one.
Abakire sabana, I'll make it very simple. Ikibazo cyoroshye cyane.
Ariko that's the truth.
Ikibazo cyoroshye cyane. Ni ikihe kintu ufite aho ngaho cyangwa wambaye gihenze kuruta ibindi?
Okay, ikintu gihenze cyane kurusha ibindi ni impeta.
Ikoze
muri diamonds.
Zahabu pure
and diamonds.
And diamonds, oh.
Yeah.
Angahe?
Ni gift cyangwa ni something special.
Numuntu wayishyize ku rutoki rwawe.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Somebody has put a ring on it. Murabyumva. Arakoze cyane. Ambassador Ariakur, what are you looking forward to do to see tonight? Ni iki kintu wumva kiraza kugushimisha umugoroba?
I'm already happy. I'm seeing my people, our supporters. I'm very grateful already.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Appreciate. Wait, turaza kubivugana nyuma ya reality TV show. Queen Dus, Happy New Year.
Thank you.
You're looking amazing.
Thank you.
So stunning. Oh my God. One more time, please. Round. People want to see what your mama gave you. Zenguruka mo gatoya te. OMG. Wow. Queen Dus, Black Elegance Party, urasa neza ninde wakwambitse?
Bon, nambitswe na The Queen's style.
The Queen's?
Akaba ari collection yanjye.
Ni collection yawe. Abantu basobanukirwa impamvu navugaga ko ari we wambitse Bad Drama nkuko yabitubwiye. Afite collection imwe muri business akora. Queen Dus, Kigali Boss Babes. Party nk'ingi kuri mwebwe ivuze iki?
Bon, ndaza kubivugaho nyuma ariko ni ikintu gikomeye cyane muri kariyeri dutangiye nkatwe bashyashya. Bon, nka event yacu edition ya mbere kubona imeze gutya, bon, ndi speechless.
Oh my God. Natwe twishimye cyane. Ni iki kintu wambaye gihenze kuruta ibindi kuri uyu mugoroba?
Bon, nanjye ni impeta.
Iyo ikoze?
Nanjye harimo diamonds.
Diamonds. Ihagaze?
Ni menshi n'ibanga.
N'ibanga. Cyangwa nawe ni gift?
Narayiguriye.
Very nice. Queen Dus, ni ikihe kintu cyakuryoheye kuruta ibindi muri iri joro nubwo rigitangira? Ni iki wifuza kuza gukora?
Ikintu cyane ryoheye cyane kuruta ibindi nkinjira aha ngaha ni uburyo twacuruzinze ino kara ya black. It looks classy, chic, and luxury.
Nkuko muri abanyamafaranga ibintu bya Alex bigomba kujyana. Urakoze cyane. Twibutsa vuba kuri Kristera. Meze bite Chris? Happy New Year. You're looking so gorgeous.
Thank you.
Wow. Wow.
Thank you so
much. Kuba ndumanzi mu baririmba inkundo mba nkoze mu nganzo nanjye nkibwira batanazi. Urasa neza cyane bikomeye. Ninde wakwambitse?
Nambitswe na Tanga Design.
Tanga?
Yego.
Tanga Design nibo bakwambitse kuri uyu mugoroba. Ni iki kintu wambaye gihenze kuruta ibindi? Cyangwa icyo ufite?
Ibintu byose nambaye hano birahenze ariko igihenze cyane.
Ubuhe bwoko?
Rolex.
Yeah. Specification? Igiciro?
N'ibanga.
Murakoze cyane.
Yeah.
Usaba akantu kamwe koroheje. Umusore wari umagaze hano inyuma yansabye ngo wongere uhindukire rimwe niba ntacyo bigutwaye. Oh my God. That's why we call Black Elegance, ladies and gentlemen. Kigali Boss Babes. Straight tugushimire ibindi turaza kubivugana twihuta cyane to my favorites. That's one of my Kigali Boss Babes favorites, Sylvie. Hello. looking amazing.
Thank you.
I love everything about you.
Thank you.
Urasa neza kwa. Yitwa Sylvie, ni umwe mu Kigali boss babes dufite hano kuri uyu mugoroba. Ongera usome ku kantu ko kunywa one more time. Classy, expensive. And that's too. Sylvie, ni iki kintu cyagutunguye muri iyi pati kuruta ibindi?
Nishimye kubona mwaje kudushyigikira byanejeje kandi byanezerewe. Ibirori byinshi bya Kigali Boss Babes nakundaga kuba ntari inaha, uyu munsi rero nanezerewe ko byabaye nanjye ndi ntari.
Yeah, I said I love everything about you, but look at the dress, look at the style, look at everything. Ni iki kintu wambaye wowe gihenze mbere yuko umbwira umuntu wakwa? Impeta. Ni umuntu wayishyizeho nawe?
Oya.
Wakaguze mu kihe gihugu?
Nayiguze muri Mali.
Muri Mali. Very nice.